is. There's also golf carts come down here, like, just around. Not gonna drop it. This camera is so damn good. Oh. Sometimes in America, cars are like racing each other. Oh no. One of them's coming. There's a truck coming. Right there.
Yeah, I'll do the honky honk bit. Go on, do it.
Someone's crossing the road while the trucks are coming.
Do it. Go on, do it.
Ooh.
Hey,
What's that say on the thing?
do it. That's it.
Sometimes they do it when you're just recording.
Don't be a chicken.
Oh, the U-Haul,
Next one comes, you're doing it. Right.
the U-Haul truck coming up. That's a rental truck, is it? Someone just honked. Look at that Jeep. A lot of Jeeps. I am filming it.
Do it, just go. You ain't gonna get in trouble or anything. Go ahead. Go ahead. Look at it.
Who's got the... But they do have eyes. They can see me. I think that one was on like a radio channel or somewhere. It was like doing like... Oh, there's a truck over there. Don't know if you can see it. It's like a green one. I think it's a Mountain Dew truck. I actually don't know if they exist.
There's another one.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I can't... Oh.
Do it, no the chicken.
Sure. Chicken. You're the only chicken in this world.
You're the chicken. What would have thought?
Oh, it is Mountain Dew. Ain't Ace, what's it? Ain't Ace that curse word?
What?
Ain't Ace is a curse word, isn't it? Curse.
Ace?
Yeah, that company truck had Ace.
No, just stop me so stupid.
No, it's...
Ace ain't that
Okay. Well, I remember someone telling me that it was cursed.
What, another stupid kid from school?
It was actually...
It was.
It was actually an adult. What the... I don't know if that's a screen. Oh, there's a truck there. That's not really... There's a little plane up there. A little one. I thought I'd just seen a Lamborghini, but my eyes are playing tricks on me. Can you see it? Thinking Virgin or Delta. Yeah. Cause I can...
Look there. In the sky.
Oh, they're playing there. Yeah, you do see a lot of them. Like, actually. Oh, that one's just going up rubbers. I thought wheels are. There we go. There's a weird van over there. That's... Vans in America, not like the ones you see in Europe. They're complete different vehicles. Vans in America, like... I don't know, that's... They're the... What I call a little...
There's Jeeps.
Where?
Jeep coming down.
There's a truck there with a trailer.
Jeep coming up. Orange.
That's my favourite colour, orange. On the tablet it looks red, but in real life it's orange. Dude, there's literally a semi truck, not a semi truck, not... a small truck. There we go, small truck. I might be able to recreate this in Car Crash Studio on Roblox. People in Mocha mainly choose SUVs, pickups, and they don't. Actually, they do use sedans a lot, considering. Dude, you can literally count the pickup trucks that drive by and be like 100. Sometimes you see hatchbacks as well, but that's more European type, so. Yeah, there's a truck coming up. That's a flipping van. It's a van, that one. A Jeep.
Gold one.
That ain't gold, is it? Is it gold? Oh, it is gold. That must be worth thousands. A truck there. A tow truck and a semi truck. That's more of a, oh my god. And a van that just drove past, what my granddad described as a semi truck. Dude, there shouldn't be, there's one over there. Literally. There's one over there. Like, as soon as I wake up in the morning, see a traffic jam from like over to the traffic lights, all the way to there. Like there. Literally, all the way to there. Oh, it's another Jeep. Oh. In America, the car is very interesting. More big. A bird. Okay, that wasn't very interesting, but. Oh. It's probably the best day of my life. One day, if we do this in UK. Do this in the UK one day, truck spot. I think only one truck will do the horn. Because in the UK they're just hands on the wheel and just drive down the motorways. And when you're in Germany, they go like 100 miles an hour down the autobahn. They're allowed to cross, and we. That's, they're doing.
When it's clear like this,
That's jaywalking, bruh. I thought they was about to get hit by a car that was oncoming, the red one, but. I had to pause the video. Some people were walking by, but I'm surprised Americans even live. Like, the traffic is horrific and dense. The temperature's like 72 probably. But it said on the news this morning 72 or 85, which would make my tablet generally. If I went to the UK and the weather was the same as in America, I would not be able to lift my hand. But in America I can. Oh, did a golf cart driving by. I've never seen it. Oh, no, more jaywalkers. Yeah, that ain't gonna stop traffic. Just put his hand out like. That ain't gonna stop traffic. That ain't going to. You know, one time on YouTube, a road rage happened because some man with a red flag walked across a highway, loads of traffic, someone started road raging. Oh! God, please say this is oversized load coming towards me. bet it's a damn tow truck. There's traffic everywhere. You got Chevrolet, Toyotas, everything you can think of on the road at the minute. Sometimes you see European cars, which is there's a little truck just driving by. A lot of traffic. Been like 10 minutes already. That's rare. Pickup truck trying to race. Usually at the start of the traffic lights, as soon as you go green, you got Dodge Chargers, Corvettes, Supras, Toyotas, Mustang, all changing lanes. Every car, ooh. He's acting like he's filming Fast and Furious. Oh, that's a nice Mustang. Another Sheriff. And sadly that semi-truck just went on a different road. Where the heck's that thing what I thought was that Hellcat or whatever it is, Mustang? Forgot to I think he forgot where I was going. He chose that exit, not that exit. That's embarrassing, especially when someone's recording you. It's like cars everywhere. Oh, it's because of that. If Carcross Studio is real, considering my map has like horns everywhere, it would be like honking, beeping everywhere. The only place there's no honking, beeping is the sky. But in real life, you're just tow truck. They're old cars. They actually sound like a fully loaded semi-truck just drove by. I wonder if that's DHL. The question is, does DHL come to America? Do DHL planes come to America?
Yeah. DHL is an American company.
American company?
Yeah.
I thought it was European. You see, everywhere in Europe, it's like
They're worldwide, aren't they?
worldwide, yeah. They actually are. That says one way. That sign there says one way. We all know this side of the road is one way, and that side of the road is one way. Oh, it's for them guys. Okay, makes sense. Oh, the bus I just drove by, and in my opinion, the bus was the ugliest colour in the world, pink. Hopefully, where are the actual semi-trucks? Like, hope they're not allergic to me. Usually they're everywhere. Oh, that one just drove past. A yellow, white one. White trailer, yellow front bit, yellow cab actually. After pausing the video again for another group of people, I think that was a Mustang. Or another small truck coming up. When I do say small truck, I mean like actual small. Like, yeah, like that type of thing. That's a small truck, but it's got a trailer. I bet there's horses in the back of that. But they'll probably suffocate. Actually don't know. Probably loads of work stuff. Is that a Nissan pickup truck? Ford Nissan. Yeah, but usually I've never seen a Nissan pickup truck. Yeah, but never mind. Don't know what was going on there, but another group of people walked by. That taxi is, I don't know if it's a taxi, but seems to be driving very slow. Wait, all the traffic's in the same lane as that car and the van, so. Dude, I actually don't know when the bees will drive by. This is where I usually stay, Legacy Vacation. Anyways, this truck spot is not. That car reminds me of Miatas. The cute thing. I think a plane just went above me, but don't know what. There it is. Can't see it on the camera yet again. Getting a bit dark. Actually. Another company van. The thing is, I've never seen a Jeep / pickup truck. I actually have now. The Mustangs, 2 pickup trucks, both Ford for some reason. Well, actually both Ford. I know this is truck spotting, but damn, where are the trucks? Should just do a time lapse until a truck just goes by and then just. Usually when it's like proper midday, you see like them trucks carrying cement, gravel, all this stuff, box trucks. They sometimes get big like semi trucks next to each other, behind each other, in front of each other. They're everywhere in the midday, but for some reason I don't see any. Been like 18 minutes into the damn video, and the next time I see a truck, I'll end the video on that. Maybe that's a truck. Dude, even when the traffic lights there go red, there's still cars driving by. I don't know why. Next truck I see, horn. Seem to be walking away from you. I think that's a Porsche. Yes, it is a Porsche. What? That's a small truck. I think that was a Corvette. I don't know what that was. I've actually never seen a Corvette before, so makes matters worse. There are some Audis and. Okay.
Is that continuous recording?